Bonjour Katu, Bienvenue Suk Master French with Vidyansshu. In today's video, you are going to learn about the conjugation of the verb aimer. It is an er ending verb, which means to like or love. Pronunciation is aimer. In affirmation, since it is starting with a vowel, j'aime, tu aimes, il, elle, on aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, and il, elle aim. The pronunciation over here is aim. Zemo, zeme, and zame. I like, you like, he or she likes, we like, you like, ll. In zame means they like. In affirmation, this is the conjugation. In negation, the format is sujet plus ne plus verb plus per. Je n'aime pas. Tu n'aimes pas. Il, elle, on n'aime pas. Nous n'aimons pas. Vous n'aimez pas. And il, elle n'aime pas. The pronunciations are name, nemo, neme, and name. Name, nemo, neme, name. These are the pronunciations. I don't like, you don't like, he or she does not like, we don't like, informal way, and informal way you don't like, then they don't like. So let's do some sentences so that this particular verb is going to be used in a certain way. There is one rule that needs to be written, that with a may we always use definite articles. There are some verbs with which we always use definite articles. What are the definite articles? Lo, la, le, and L apostrophe. So let's do some sentences. The first sentence is j'aime le chocolat. I like chocolate. You see, I have used le in this sentence. The second sentence is tu aimes le café, which means coffee. You like coffee. We use article before every noun in French. Then il name a le football, which means he does not like football. Both sentence. Elle n'aime pas la musique classique. This means she does not like classical music. This means classical music. Fifth sentence. Nous aimons or zemo. Because of the liaison rule, this S will get connected to this A. Nous aimons les films, which means we like the films. This means film. I'll give you the pronunciations of these two words. Music, classique, write down the sixth sentence. Vous n'aimez pas le thé, which means you don't like tea. Thé means tea. L'aime le bonbon or les bonbons, which means they like the sweets. Elle n'aime pas les fleurs. Fleur means flowers. So these are the sentences which I wanted to discuss. These are pretty simple sentences. They don't like the flowers as the meaning of the last sentence. So this is all for today. Kindly conjugate the verb in affirmation and negation. Keep on practicing. Form your own sentences and share them in the comment section. And please like the video if you understood the content, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel, Master French with Vidyansshu. Press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates on time. Atre, bientôt.